What's up guys, Nick here, ZZ Diesel. We're back for another After Hours with the boys, showing you some Duramax parts that we've got going. So this revolves around the filter head on a Duramax 01 to 16 model. Obviously we have the TP3018 factory AC Delco fuel filter in stock, available on our website anytime you want. We got a couple other items here. Replace your plastic chipped up bleeder screw with a billet aluminum one. We got a whiff plug with a drain. We replace your whiff sensor. These are a problem on Duramaxes. They don't set off the sensor before it's way too late. The filter will actually be full of water. And then for guys running a lift pump, we have a primer delete that eliminates the leak point at the primer bulb. We also have the filter replacement delete bowl for guys running lift pumps as well. So all these are available on our website. Primer bulb delete, ZZ0159. The whiff plug with drain, a ZZ-0149. The bleeder screw, a ZZ-0119. And the bowl delete, filter bowl replacement, is a ZZ-12-56. All these items can be used individually, so you can replace that broken or chewed up bleeder screw by itself, doesn't affect anything else. Whiff plug can be used with a plastic factory one. In the bottom of the filter, can be used with a factory filter. The primer bulb delete can be used with a factory filter, whiff sensor, and factory bleeder screw all in. The fuel filter bowl, there's one major modification that you have to do when using that. You have to take out your plunger spring and bulb inside of the filter housing itself. Otherwise you won't get fuel flowing through that filter head. Pretty simple install for all of these. Whiff sensor comes out. Whiff plug goes in, goes back on the filter housing. Bleeder screw replaces your factory bleeder screw. Primer bulb delete. So when this goes on there, flat gasket gets placed right on top. With the primer bulb delete, we supply two sets of hardware. One's going to be metric, one's going to be standard. Before you go to install them, just check them on the thread of your housing because they vary from year to year. So you don't know what you have until you take yours out. So guys, you can find these on zzdiesel.com or give us a call. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Jordan's doing a great job on Snapchat recently. Check him out and keep watching.